In the heart of the African savanna, a young lion named Simba is destined to become king, but the path to the throne is filled with betrayal, loss, and the struggle to find his place in the circle of life. Today, we're going to dive into the iconic Disney classic, The Lion King, a story of courage, redemption, and the true meaning of leadership. The story begins with the birth of Simba, the son of King Mufasa and Queen Sarabi. Simba's arrival is celebrated by the entire kingdom of animals, with Rafiki, the wise mandrill, presenting the newborn cub to the animals of the Pride Lands. Mufasa, Simba's father, teaches him about the circle of life, the interconnectedness of all living things. But Simba is young, and he's eager to prove himself. Simba's uncle, Scar, is jealous of Mufasa's rule and desires the throne for himself. Scar's plan is devious. He tricks Simba into a dangerous situation that leads to the tragic death of Mufasa. In the chaos, Mufasa sacrifices himself to save Simba, and in one of the most heart-wrenching moments of the film, Simba is left to face the death of his father alone. Scar manipulates Simba into thinking that his father's death was his fault. Overcome with guilt, Simba flees the Pride Lands, running far away and leaving his destiny behind. He ends up in a jungle where he meets two unforgettable characters, Timon and Pumbaa. In the jungle, Simba grows up, living a carefree life with his new friends, but the guilt and memories of his past still linger in his heart. Years later, Simba's childhood friend Nala tracks him down, urging him to return to the Pride Lands. She reveals that Scar has plunged the kingdom into despair, and the land is dying under his rule. Simba refuses, still haunted by his past. But Nala's plea, along with the reminder of his true responsibility, starts to awaken something inside him. Simba returns to the Pride Lands, where he faces Scar in a dramatic battle for the throne. The kingdom is in ruins, but Simba is determined to restore balance. In the final confrontation, Simba challenges Scar's lies and exposes the truth about Mufasa's death. Scar, cornered and defeated, meets his end. With Scar's defeat, peace is restored to the Pride Lands. Simba takes his rightful place as king, and the circle of life continues. The once dying kingdom begins to flourish again, and Simba's journey comes full circle. Simba has come into his own, not just as a king, but as a leader who understands that true strength comes from accepting who you are and embracing your responsibilities. The Lion King is more than just a tale of a lion's journey to the throne. It's a story of self-discovery, redemption, and the power of family, loyalty, and courage. Simba's journey reminds us all that we are never truly alone, and that we must face our past in order to move forward into the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of The Lion King, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more movie recaps and deep dives into your favorite stories.